So if you guys are new to the channel, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoy it. Today is a momentous occasion. Today, we are painting my Lambo, and it's not a moment too soon. This guy, how you doing, dude? So this is Juan. He is the owner of Color Recon, the people that are doing so much work to get this thing done. Can we go see it?
Of course, let's go.
Let's do it. Oh my gosh, take a look at this. So it's already in the booth, it's already in its last motor primer, I believe.
Actually, we're gonna do one more finesse touch, then we're gonna seal it, and then we're gonna start shooting some paint.
There's been a lot of work done since I last saw this car, and since you guys last saw this car. So we're gonna go over everything that was done. So these are the side skirts. This one was the one that broke in two, and they fixed it right here, and it looks absolutely OEM. There was a big bulge right here with a bunch of Bondo and fiberglass and all that stuff, and now it is straight as an arrow. It looks absolutely spectacular. I mean, I almost like how this looks in white, but
It's gonna be better than it came out of the factory.
oh yeah, it's definitely gonna be better than when it left the Lambo factory. But yesterday I was here and we fit up the bumper, that $5,000 bumper, and it fit actually pretty good. No necessary modifications needed anywhere here, and it looks very good. I don't want to touch it too much because that's going to contaminate it. This is going to be a long day.
Really long.
But at the end of that, there should be $1 million show car coming out of there.
It's gonna be a product that hopefully the whole world can enjoy.
These guys have been working basically round the clock for a long time. It's not just sanding down and then painting. This is taking everything apart. I mean, take a look at this. This is just the little spoiler section. They took that off, made sure that everything was sanded underneath, and then primed it, and then did all the stuff that they would do, even though this is not going to be seen. So there's a lot of that detail work going into this car. I mean, this car has so many nooks and crannies and crevices. It's just crazy.
That's what it takes.
So the roof right here looks perfect. I mean, usually you'd have the old guy dents right here when people put their elbows on it, and now there's nothing there.
And no filler, that's the best.
Yeah, and no filler, no Bondo. This car has had no Bondo put on it whatsoever. This is just good old-fashioned sanding. This is just a lot of elbow grease and prep work.
Yeah, we have a list of all the hours that we put into, but at the end we're gonna make another video telling exactly how many man hours.
Yeah, I would love to know how much this would actually take as far as effort. But everything is masked off very nicely. The doors are right here, and they are also prepped and ready to go. And this is kind of looking like a little window. This is going to be also masked because the middle is going to be black. One of the most important things I wanted to take care of in this build were the door jambs, and the door jambs right here are definitely getting painted with the same sort of detail and attention as the rest of the car. So this is going to look just as good as the exterior, because before it looked real bad. It was,
You set it up.
on a scale of 1 to 10, how good was the paint coming in here?
I don't think a 1.
Not even a 1. Okay, that's okay. So we go from not even a 1 to like a 12. Oh yeah.
Lately when I look in the mirror, I don't know who I see. These eyes are so much darker than they ever used to be.
All right, it's a little boomy in here, but everything is completed, right?
Yep, pretty much.
Now we're just gonna seal it, and it's gonna be like what, 2 coats of sealer or something like that?
One really heavy coat of sealer, then we'll do base coating, 3 coats of base coat, maybe 4, depends how it coverage, and then we'll do the clear coat.
We're definitely gonna get some little bit of lines just from the lights. I can't really do anything about that, but looks really, really cool.
Even when I turn off the lights and sink into a dream, everything around me is a lie, just a memory. Don't know who I am. There's a stranger, just a stranger where I stand. I am just a stranger. I don't know who I am. There's a stranger, just a stranger where I stand. I am just a stranger.
All right, so what is going on now?
Right now he's rubbing on the paint job and that creates static.
Yeah.
But we gotta use what is called a tack claw. Tack claw is a rag that has adhesives plus other chemicals inside that helps with the static and getting any type of dirt, any type of dust that is on top. On top of that, we use the hydrostatic gun to take all the static out.
There are a lot of steps to this painting business.
Yeah, to do it right, yeah.
How many hours do you think it would take to do something like this?
I think we have invested over 500-600 hours.
500-600 hours.
All
That's
the man hours that we have.
that's a lot. That is a lot. But it's gonna look
Oh, it's gonna look great.
it's gonna look great. That already looks so good. It's gonna be the best looking Lamborghini Murcielago ever.
That's what we're hoping.
All right, man, what you got for me?
The black accent.
So this is what we're looking at for all the black in the car. So
Yeah.
black is not exactly black. There's like black with a little more gold in it here. There's just kind of like a, actually there's a little bit of flake in here too.
very light.
Yeah, this one is a little more gray. So some of them are a little more blue.
I like that.
I like that too. This is
It's almost
more,
black.
Yeah. I like this one because there's like little red flake in there. You see it?
Yeah.
Yeah, so I really like this
This
color.
is too gold.
I think that would complement the color. We can look at it on your shirt. Your shirt matches matches the car. Yeah, this is gonna be good.
I get lost in crowded rooms, so I don't feel alone. In every face, I still see you, like I'm dancing with a ghost. I'm trying to hold myself together, but I feel you in my bones. Every step is one step closer to never letting go. To never letting go. I don't know who I am. There's a stranger, just a stranger where I stand. I am just a stranger. I don't know who I am. There's a stranger, just a stranger where I stand. I am just a stranger.
All right. Oh wow. Oh yeah, I'm gonna be super careful because everything here is still drying, but this is all the layers of clear. This is all the layers of paint, and it's such a deep color. I'm not sure if you can see this on camera. Really hard to get, but everything here is straight as an arrow. It just looks fantastic. I'm trying really hard not to get anything on this paint, but this is absolutely a show car paint job. I mean, just all the fine details on all of these. just amazing. So you guys will notice that there's a little bit of orange peel. That's normal. This is gonna get cut and buffed. So let me try to go over here. Wow. Not sure if you can see the flake, but there is a lot of pearl in there, and it just, dude, I can't thank you enough. This is amazing. This looks so good. The doors, the hood, everything just looks perfect. And these guys knocked it out of the park. So this has got to stay in here for, well, it's going to stay in here for the weekend, right? Yeah, until Monday. So this is gonna basically just off gas a little bit. They did the inner right here. They did everything just like OEM, and I mean it looks better than new. Lamborghini would not have painted it like this. This is so much better than an OEM Lamborghini paint job. And I'm sorry for the booming, but it's just a really big air intake there. Wow, guys. All right, I'm gonna try not to touch this thing. All right, we fast forwarded a little bit of time, and now it's sorta kind of dry. I definitely don't want to touch it, but we can see without all the fans running what this thing is really about. Man, this is absolutely amazing. These guys have knocked it out of the park. They were working overtime for many hours. This is actually Saturday, and they're closed. But right now you can still see that they're working out what color to put as far as the black on the trim, and it just looks so good. Now there are some minor imperfections, and those are going to be sanded out because this does have to be buffed. It's not going to be, this is actually as dull as it's going to be, even though it's super duper shiny. It's going to get even shinier. It's going to have an even deeper color and deeper gloss than this, because after all, it is going to be $1 million show car.
That's $1 million show car.
All right, guys, that is it for today's episode. We got a lot done, and I don't mean me, I mean these guys. These are the two ones. This guy is
1-1, 1-2.
1-1, 1-2. That's a lot of ones. But he is the MVP for today. He painted this entire car. You put so many layers of paint and clear coat and all of that stuff, and it looks absolutely fantastic.
I was the coach.
Yeah.
One was the MVP, and Oscar was the always helping him, assisting him, and he did an excellent job.
Thanks to them. They are awesome. All their links and everything will be in the description below. Also, thanks to Eric from Refinish King for sourcing this amazing Arancio Argos paint. Eric's actually over here. Hi, Eric. Hi, guys. They're the Refinish King guys. And this awesome paint is gonna look even more awesome because it's gonna get cut and buffed in the next few days. And then I'm gonna pick it up, do my thing, and then we're gonna take it to the interior shop where it's gonna get an interior, and then hopefully it should be done. So that's gonna be very, very exciting, and it's gonna be a lot of work for me and a lot of traveling. So hope you guys stay tuned and wish me luck, because this is the most I've ever done on any car. It's the most ambitious any project has ever been. And it's gonna be a lot of fun. But until next time, this is me reminding you guys that cars like these that now look amazing because of awesome dudes like this. You guys need to wrench every day. Every day, that's right.